We have been following the Niagara Parkway, and we went to Brock's Monument, Fort George,
Fort Mississauga,
the Butler's Barracks, and this is the Floral Clock. And yeah, it's getting quite late, but you take your pictures when you get there. If you continue on the parkway, you will come to the whirlpool and then to Niagara Falls. So there's lots to see and do here. We have done most of it. We have been to Niagara Falls. We've done the whirlpool. This changes yearly.
This year is celebrating Canada's 150th anniversary, and there was a contest to have the design for the clock, and this first place.
If any of you want to go on a trip to another country, my suggestion would be head to north and visit Canada, and particularly around the Niagara Falls area, because there's so much to see.